I think eneloop can bring the certain contribution to the environment, and eneloop can also bring the wonderful and excellent user experience. Through this donation program, I'd like to realize the figure that the both of contribution to the environment and wonderful and excellent user experience are naturally realized. I think we have to create a society that future children can live in peace. In order to realize it, we should implement some scheme that the both of Earth and us can live together without any serious problems.
C'est un début modeste mais significatif. Rejoignez notre ambition de rendre l'initiative globale pour la vie et la terre et pour nos enfants.